name's Ryan from forexflow.live. We're going to focus on euro-dollar today. What we've heard today is that there's a lot of options action going on, mainly between 110 and 112. There's a lot of gamma traders in this, heavily invested in this. So what they're basically doing is they're setting a range between the 110 and 112 level. And that's being protected by barriers, which if they are breached, then that knocks out the strategies. And what happens in the meantime is that they trade in between the ranges. So as they see dips down towards 110 or the lows of whatever intraday range we've got, they step in and buy. And as it moves up above towards 112, then they come in and sell. Now it's all part of the bigger options picture. So there's lots going on. We've got these gamma traders, we've got these barriers. There's said to be binary trades in there as well. So it's a big options related market we're trading at the moment. So what does that do for our trading? Well, there's two ways we can play it, and I focused on the euro-dollar chart here, the 4-hourly chart. So on that chart, I've marked the two levels that we've got in play, 110 and 112. So the first way we can play it while we're inside this range is to trade against the edges, particularly if we know that these barriers are there, because traders who have bigger amounts of money than we do have an interest to keep the price from breaking through those levels. So that can give us quite a wide range, 200 pips range to trade between. It may require some patience, but if we get a move to either end of those ranges, then we can look at trading against them. I've been looking to trade at short into the 112 area for some time now, but what we're finding is we're not breaching this 111.70, 80 area. That's been particularly strong for the last few trading sessions. Conversely, down towards the 110 area, we haven't been down there for a while, so I'm going to be expecting to see some decent support down there. So I'm going to be looking to trade the edges of this range, go long into sort of the 110 area, round about 110.10, somewhere like that. You can keep a stop fairly tight below the 110 area. Conversely, on the upside, I'm looking at this 111.70 area. I'd like it closer to 112. When we get through this 70 area, then we're likely to have a test of that. So again, a tight short into somewhere like 111.90, 95 is the way to play this, and to see if these option traders are going to protect these levels. Now, on the other side, if these levels do break, then we have the potential to see the trade push on, see the price push on in either direction. So what we can do, if we're going to go against these levels in the range, what we can do is reverse the trade into a long or a short, depending on if they break or not. So let's say the 110 area breaks, then sticking in a sell stop somewhere around the sort of 109.90, 109.80 level, potentially might be able to catch that break through 110. And again, as I say, you can use this strategy as a reverse. So if you're trading long off the 110 area and that doesn't work, then you can potentially switch the trade straight into a short via your stop. What's going to happen with that is that these option traders, if they were banking on that range to stick, if it does go, then they're going to be forced to liquidate their trades, and that's going to aid any breaks above or below. So as you can see on the chart, those areas are marked. The blue arrow basically says keep the range there, trade between the edges. The green arrows are where we would look for a break either way. That's the way I'm going to be looking to play it, and this is something that we're going to be watching to develop over the next few months. A lot of these options are heading towards a DEC 31st expiry, so basically running out the year. So once that period's over, depending on what's happening in the meantime, that's when these trades could all finally expire and come out of the books. So that's what we're looking for, trading euro dollar at the moment, and I wish you luck if you're having a look at it.